Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. This is Tanush, and today we'll be discussing about the transit of Saturn that is going to happen on 11th of October, early morning around 3:45 a.m. So, which is tomorrow, right? So, I should have done this video long back because I was prepared with my notes and everything, but my recording crew, which is my wife, basically she is not keeping well, so she's under the influence of Saturn. She is facing the wrath of Saturn, and that was the reason it was delayed. And I'm making this now, so because this transit is going to be very very important for many of us, right? So for 5 months, that is from 23rd of May till 11th of October, Saturn was in retrograde motion in the sign of Capricorn, and it has given really tough time to many people. So we'll be seeing that in a while, right? So Saturn is the slowest moving planet responsible for giving us the past life karma, planet often feared and revered. So Saturn went retrograde in the sign of Capricorn on 23rd of May 2021, creating a lot of problems and stress, anxiety, depression, etc. for many of the people, right? So I've seen many people who had consulted me suffering due to this retrograde motion of Saturn. So, especially to mention, the signs Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra ascendant, they were, the maximum impacted due to this retrograde motion. Now, Saturn is going to go direct tomorrow, that is on 11th of October, and it's surely going to give a lot of relief. So, I'll just touch the points, the pain points which Saturn was giving to particular ascendants, and so what relief these people will be getting from tomorrow onwards, right? And malefic planets like Saturn, when they go retrograde, they give a lot of problems because they release a lot of karma, our karmic backlog. So, especially if any one of you has Saturn retrograde in the birth chart, this period would have been quite terrible for all of you, right? So let us go, ascendant wise, and see how Saturn was impacting you. And again, the same areas you will feel a lot of relief starting tomorrow, right? So for Aries ascendant, Saturn was retrograde in the 10th house. Now, being retrograde in the 10th house, Saturn obviously was giving a lot of confusion and a lot of issues in career. And the third aspect of Saturn was especially on the 12th house. So, you might have faced a lot of losses, financial losses, even career wise, you probably might have been, directionless. And, the seventh aspect of Saturn was on the fourth house. So this creates a very a very unstable environment at home. There will not be much coordination, probably a lot of heated interaction with family members. And the 10th aspect again is on the 7th house, which means you might have had tough time with your business partners or even with your spouse, right? So these were the areas impacted for the Aries ascendant. So once the Saturn goes direct, it's going to do wonderful on your career front, and all these things, the losses, financial losses would be curbed now, and the environment at home and especially with your spouse will naturally improve starting from tomorrow. Now, for Taurus ascendant, Saturn is in the ninth house, right? And it is right now retrograde in the ninth house. So the issues created where a lot of issues in the travel, and the third aspect was on the 11th house. So this might have given you issues related to financial gains. So your money might be stuck somewhere. You might have had issues with your network circle or with your friends or even with your colleagues at work. And the seventh aspect is on the third house. So your speech might have not been quite stable. You might have faced issues with your siblings again. And the 10th aspect is on your sixth house. which means you might have, if at all you were having any court cases, it might have given a lot of issues on that front. So there would have been certain kind of backlog, I would say, in those areas, but now it's going to pick up. And your daily routine was very difficult to maintain, the daily timetable. So all these were the issues. And now when the Saturn goes direct, you'll see that you'll be very clear about what's going to be your future, or your future plans might seem to be working from now. Your relationship with your siblings would be much better. And obviously you'll see that your routine would be much better and organized right now. And if any litigations or court cases are happening, so you can see that going in your favor from tomorrow. Now, for Gemini ascendant, Saturn is retrograde in the 8th house, right? So, Gemini was one of the most impacted sign, I would say, because being in 8th house, Saturn has given a lot of issues on health front, issues with the in-laws, issues with joint assets, and being in the 8th house, it was aspecting your 10th house. So, a lot of tough situations in your job or in your business, no clarity there. And the 7th aspect is on the 2nd house, meaning a lot of confusion in your family. Again, the family environment was not very conducive, I would say. So a lot of issues on those fronts, as well as it was quite hard for you to save your money. So the money was finding a lot of ways to get out of your hands. So the 10th aspect again was on the 5th house, which means that if you're planning to learn something, or you're planning to get into some new domain or new space in your career, this period from May to 11th October might have created a lot of discouragement for you. But no need to be discouraged, because from tomorrow onwards, when Saturn goes direct, the same Saturn is going to help you to learn new things, new technology, and everything. Also, you might have had issues with your children, children not listening to you, or some difference of opinion. So once the Saturn goes direct tomorrow, you will see your health improving. Your relationship with the in-laws would be much better. Financially, you will be able to save money. And also your plans to learn new technology or get into new space can actually now be materialized, right? Now, for Cancer ascendant, Saturn is in the 7th house right now. So when it went retrograde, it obviously has given a lot of issues in the marriage, right? So your relationship with your spouse might have been too bad. You might have faced a lot of ego issues, or disagreement on different aspects. And also, third aspect is on the 9th house. So you were not very clear about your future. You often had doubts as of how your future is going to be. And the 7th aspect was on your ascendant. So this again creates health issues, issues with your personality. So people lose their confidence and courage. And also the 10th aspect was on the 4th house, right? So this again creates a lot of issues on the family front. And if you had undertaken any construction work, or if you were planning to purchase any property, you might have seen a lot of confusion happening during this time. So once Saturn goes direct, all these aspects, all these pain points would now be kind of fixed, or you'll get a lot of relief on those things. You'll get clarity on what you have to do and what's in store for you. And you'll start working on that front. And especially your relationship with your spouse will be much better than before, right? So a lot of relief for you guys. So just wait for tomorrow morning. So now, for Leo ascendants, Saturn is right now retrograde in your 6th house, right? So this shows that if you had any court cases, you might have seen things not going in your favor. Again, you will find a lot of difficulty in maintaining your daily schedule, because unexpected things might come up, due to which your plan will not actually kind of be implemented. So that might have created a lot of frustration. At the same time, you might have faced issues with some enemies, or certain hidden enemies, right? Certain health issues, especially related to stomach, you might have seen during this time, stomach and liver. So now the third aspect of Saturn is on your eighth house, which again indicates health issues, sudden cropping up of certain health issues, or a lot of uncertainty. And the seventh aspect is on the 12th house. So this also indicates that you might have faced, a lot of financial losses, or you might have traveled, but your travel would have been in vain. I mean, the goal of your travel might not have been met, right? And the 10th aspect was on the third house, meaning your communication might have gone wrong during this time. People might have misunderstood you. You might have had issues with your siblings. So once Saturn goes direct, Saturn does very well in the sixth house, right? Because it is one of the Upacha houses. So Saturn is going to fix these things to certain extent. So you'll see that your health will improve slowly. You'll be able to catch up with the daily routine, and the financial losses would again be curbed. And your communication, you will have a lot of clarity in your communication now, and your communication will be very effective starting from tomorrow, right? Now, for Virgo ascendants, Saturn is in your fifth house right now, retrograde in the fifth house, right? So this might have created a lot of issues, especially with your children. So you might have felt that the relationship with the children is not good, and a lot of issues were kind of coming up. And the third aspect again was on the seventh house, meaning you were also facing issues with your spouse, right? So a lot of disagreement or difference of opinion with children as well as spouse. So it's a very stressful period. Now the seventh aspect is on the 11th house, meaning if at all you are expecting any financial gains, you have not yet got those gains. Your money is stuck somewhere. You are expecting promotion from your job, so that also is kind of pending during this period. And the 10th aspect is again on the second house. So Saturn is aspecting your 11th and second house. So both the financial houses are being aspected by Saturn, which is retrograde, and that has created a lot of issue. You might have felt lack of financial resources, and your money might have been stuck. So starting from tomorrow, you are going to get relief on all these fronts, right? So meaning your relationship with your children is going to be much better. Relationship with the spouse is also going to be much better. So if your money is stuck somewhere, or you are expecting any promotion, so this is a time when you are actually going to get, because Saturn, which was kind of blocking all those things, now is unblocking the same resources. So you are going to get that. So you will obviously see a lot of relief on all these fronts. Now for Libra ascendant, Saturn is in the fourth house. So fourth house, as we know, is the family environment. It also represents your mother. It also represents your property. So the retrograde Saturn might have given issues with your mother. So either your mother's health might have been impacted during this time. You might have been worried about your mother's health. And if you were planning to purchase any property, Saturn was delaying that, right? Home environment was not very stable. The third aspect again is on the sixth house, indicating again a lot of issues, a lot of troubles on all these fronts. So if you had any enemies, this is a time when they actually surface out and they start giving trouble. And the seventh aspect is on the 10th house, right? From the fourth house, it is as Saturn also aspects exactly the opposite house, which is the 10th house. So again, a lot of confusion in the career, a lot of issues. I mean, this is the time when people get projects which are kind of very tough to deliver, or the projects don't lack basically a lot of clarity. So the career environment was not very stable, I would say. And the 10th aspect is obviously on your ascendant, so you might have had issues with your personality during this time, also some health issues. So starting from tomorrow, Saturn is going to give you a lot of relief on all these fronts. So you'll see health of your mother being much better. Your relationship with your mother will also improve. Your home environment is going to be much better during this period. And you'll see in your office or in your business, things are much better, and you get a lot of clarity during this period, right? Now, for Scorpio ascendant, Saturn is retrograde in your third house, right? So, third house is very good. Saturn does very well in the third house because it's one of the Upacha houses, right? Now, you might have had issues with the communication. You might have been lacking courage. Your speech was not very clear because your ideas were not very clear. Again, from third house, it aspects the fifth house. So this indicates that your children might also be facing some tough situations, and obviously some disagreement with your children. Also, if you're planning to learn certain new technology or wanted to get into new space or new learning, all this again was actually delayed due to Saturn's third aspect. Now, the seventh aspect is on the ninth house, which gives confusion over your future, right? So you'll feel your future is not secured, or your plans were not actually working out. So, and the 10th house, 10th aspect is on the 12th house, meaning again it was giving you a lot of financial losses, right? Because Jupiter, which is a lot of your second house, is also retrograde, and it is also debilitated, right? So financial losses were surely there for you. So now Saturn going direct from tomorrow is going to give a lot of relief to you. You will again regain your courage. You'll see your children doing much better. Your relationship with the children will be re-established, and you will see now you getting clarity on your future. So that insecurity will slowly go away, and financial losses would be curbed to a larger extent starting from tomorrow, right? For Sagittarius ascendant, Saturn is retrograde in your second house, right? So obviously it is blocking all your finances. If you are facing any dispute with your family, especially related to your ancestral property, then you would have seen this time frame from May to 11th of October quite turbulent, things going too bad. And also the third aspect is on your fourth house, which, so the third aspect of Saturn makes your home environment very unstable. And if you had any plans to purchase properties, all that have been blocked by Saturn. The seventh aspect is on the eighth house, meaning it gave you a lot of issues on your health front. Sudden things coming up which were not expected, and you were facing some difference of opinion with your in-laws. And the 10th aspect was on the 11th house, right? So again, both the financial houses, the second house and 11th house, are kind of impacted, right? So you might have seen your money being blocked somewhere, or if you're expecting some money from somewhere, the money was not coming in, the financials were going very bad. So from starting from tomorrow, once the Saturn goes direct, you'll see a lot of relief on all these fronts, especially on the finance front. You'll see your blocked money being released, and you'll be kind of carefree, especially on the financial front, right? Now for Capricorn ascendant, Saturn is in your sign, right? So you might have faced a lot of issues, and especially if this is your moon sign, then it was one of the toughest period. Believe me, I've seen certain charts with having Capricorn moon sign, and because they are in the peak phase of Sadesati, this time was quite tough for them, right? So a lot of health issues again, because debilitated Jupiter is also there right now, and it is also retrograde. So a lot of health issues, lot of issues with your family members. Now the third aspect is on the third house, meaning issues with the siblings, issues in the communication. Seventh aspect is on the seventh house, so issues with your partner, right? So business partner as well as spouse. And the 10th aspect obviously on the 10th house, meaning a lot of insecurity in job, unfavorable conditions at work. So all these things were there. So Saturn going direct is especially going to give a lot of relief for Capricorn moon sign especially, right? Also ascendant. So it's going to give a lot of relief on health front. Your mental anxiety and mental stress levels are going to come down a lot during this period, right? Your relationship with your siblings and your spouse are going to improve a lot, and you will get clarity at your work place. Now for Aquarius ascendant, Saturn is right now in your 12th house, and you are in the first phase of Sadesati, right? Now 12th house, Saturn is kind of okay being there, but it creates a lot of confusion, a lot of unnecessary travel. Now the third aspect is on the second house, right? So the third aspect of Saturn is considered very tough. So you might have again seen your money being blocked. If you had any issues with the ancestral property, the issues might have gone too bad. Issues in the family. Now the seventh aspect is on the sixth house, right? So it obviously indicates litigation or disagreement, right? Also you might have had some health issues during this period. And the 10th aspect of Saturn is on the 9th house, meaning again you were quite insecure about your future, not very clear. So now when Saturn goes direct, it's going to give you a lot of relief, especially on matters related to finance, family properties, and especially you will see your plans for the future slowly getting on track, right? Now Pisces, Saturn is in the 11th house, and Saturn does very well in the 11th house because it's also one of the Upacha houses, right? Now Saturn has gone retrograde, meaning you might have had issues again with your finance and your network circle especially. So some disagreement with your network circle. The third aspect is on your ascendant, right? So this indicates you might have had some health issues, also issues with your personality, with your confidence levels going down. The seventh aspect is on the fifth house, meaning again your plans for learning certain new things or getting into new space might have been delayed. A lot of confusion on that front, disagreement with children, right? And the 10th aspect is on the 8th house again, which indicates sudden events, sudden unexpected events, also health issues. So once the Saturn goes direct, you are going to again gain a lot from Saturn. It's going to give you a lot of money, I would say. So issues with your network circle will be fixed. Issues with your elder siblings will also be fixed. You'll again feel confidence, and you'll see your personality being shaped up for good. And again you will get clarity on what you have to do, especially on the learning front or getting into new technology domain or new space, right? And health is going to improve a lot, right? So guys, this was my understanding of the transit of Saturn, that is Saturn going direct in the sign of Capricorn. So thank you so much for watching. So I'll be back again with another video. Thank you so much.